Welcome to Practice Admin's Scheduler Setup, Install and Basic Setup Training. If at the conclusion of this training you have additional questions, please email us at support@practiceadmin.com to create a ticket. Now that you've completed the setup of your practice, you can go ahead and click on the Scheduling tab at the top of your screen, and you should be prompted for an install screen. Go ahead and click on Install, and this is going to load the PA Client Scheduler that you'll be using for making appointments. This can take a couple of moments, so please go ahead and let this install, and then we'll continue our training. After the installation is completed, this is what your screen should look like. We can go ahead and maximize the screen size so that the scheduler fully fills your screen, clicking in the upper right-hand corner, the maximize size there. All right, and so for the initial practice setup, we're just going to go ahead and select Setup Practice, and we have just a few options here, beginning with Schedule Display Options. So as a default, it's unchecked to hide provider-associated appointments on facility schedules. What this means is if you are going to be using a facility schedule and a provider schedule and you don't want to see duplication of appointments, you can go ahead and hide the provider appointments from the facility schedule by checking this box. And that's just a display option. Okay, and then moving down, appointment saving options. The first one would be to display a warning when scheduling an appointment on a date without a template. Templating is used in our system to go ahead and narrow down exactly what dates and times that appointments can be scheduled on. So if you would prefer a warning to be displayed to the user scheduling an appointment and it's outside of that templated time, then you'd want to go ahead and check this box. Certainly we'll get into templates and adding those in at a later training. The next option is use cancellation reasons. This as a default is checked, so as an appointment is canceled, it would require that the user select a cancellation reason. The next appointment saving option would be require provider selection. So during the appointment making process, if you would like to require the user to select a provider before saving that appointment, you want to go ahead and check this box. And the last one would be allow override all when saving a recurring appointment. So if you have multiple conflicts that need to be reviewed, this would allow you to override all of them with one check as opposed to having to click multiple boxes to override multiple warnings or conflicts. All right, so if you've made any changes on this page, make sure to click the Save button in the top left corner. Now that's your basic installation and basic setup for your scheduler. Please, if you have any additional questions regarding these, go ahead and email us at support@practiceadmin.com. We appreciate your time. Thank you.